Okay, right now we are going to go to our hands-on part where we will be launching two instances. So the first one we will be creating an instance. So let me show you how you can do that. For that, let me just go to my this one. Okay. Okay, so this is my AWS dashboard. So in here, what we can do, so to create a EC2, we can search the EC2 in here, EC2, and then go to the EC2. Then in here we can see there is the thing called instance running. We can go there or we can launch our instance from here also. Let's just go to this part, the instance running. Here there are no instance running, so just click on this launch instance in here. So in here I can give my data the instance name. Suppose I'm going to wait. Let's just see the slides. I'll show you the slides. Okay, so if I show you, so first we're going to the launch instance, then we go to this dashboard. Then after that, we will give the instance name the frontend plus backend because we will be deploying our frontend and backend in the same instance. The operating system will be Ubuntu. After that, we will create a key pair for our frontend and backend. Then we will select that key pair and we will launch that instance. Simple. So let's just create our first instance. Give the name frontend plus backend. Scroll down, we're going to select the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so the T2 micro should be feature eligible, it should be good. Then click on the create new key pair. In here I can give the key pair name like front back, means front and backend, and front back. Okay, so right now from here if I click on the create key pair, it will be created. Now let's just store it. Okay, so now we can just scroll down and drop down and select it from here. After that, the security group, I think it should be good. We don't need to change anything from the security group, and we can just create the launch instance. So we created one instance for our frontend and backend. Now we are going to create another one for our database. So for that, for the same process, click on the launch instance, in the database, then select the operating system Ubuntu. The T2 micro should be good, the feature eligible. Then we can select the previously created key pair or we can create a new key pair for this one like database, database, then create the key pair, then save it because you have to save it, otherwise you won't be able to SSH to your instance without this key. Then just click on the launch instance. Yeah, so uh, let's see what next. The database, same thing, the database key. So our two instances are hosted in here. Let's see if our two instances in there. Go to the instance, we will reload. See our frontend and database instance as we are running. So that's how you're going to create the instance for the frontend backend and the database.